Hey, Patty G here. Let's check out my new table saw. So here it is, the Rigid 4512 10-inch table saw. It features a really sturdy fence, side tables, a solid fence that stays in place, room for a router table, graduations on the front. It offers a 30-inch cut on the right side of the blade. The whole top from here to here, this center section, is cast iron. This is not a light saw. This thing has a 4-inch dust collection outlet, and it's right on the bottom of the saw. You'll see later during the assembly process when I attach this square pyramid-shaped piece of plastic with a 4-inch outlet on it, and it works very well. So what else? It comes with some accoutrements, magnetized push stick, and a miter gauge. And this is pretty substantial. This is not a solid block of cast, it might be aluminum, but it's very substantial. And this thing is really easy to adjust using the set screws on the back to get it true and put it in a position where it's repeatable. This is 3 or 4 pounds. If you're into the heft of things, then that's a good one. So let's check out how it goes together. The comments on the screen follow the sections in the manual, so you'll know right where to go if you've got a question. Most people would say this is a two-man job, getting this thing unpacked and everything. I did it by myself, but you can see, I mean, sometimes I struggle with it. This is not light. Get a couple words about the dust collection and this wheel caster set. We'll put that at the end. I'll make you guys watch the video. Here we go. I screwed up. What I did was, or what I didn't do was, remove the styrofoam packing block from inside here. And so, some dummy has to take this back apart and fix that. And I'm not going to say what dummy that is. But if you see somebody doing it and it looks like me, it's probably me. So here's one of the things I really loved about this saw. This pile of sawdust underneath the saw is 95% of the dust from the last cut I made. There's very little on the top of the saw, and there's hardly nothing in the air. And this is just done with gravity. When I hook it up to the dust collection system, which the video is coming up, I'll put a link up here, the previous iteration of this dust collection system. Now, one of the bad things about this saw is this caster system. 3 wheels instead of 4, which, okay, I can live with that. But when you let this thing off, I mean, you've got to baby this thing from the time you release it all the way up. The rest of this thing drops like a box of rocks. And it's already messed up my adjustment of this table. You can see one side is lower than the other. The same way here too. And I had these things set up really, really close. I'll do a video on how to set this thing up as well. But I'm convinced that it's from the way this thing lets down. I mean, if you drop it once, I mean, all right, picture's worth 1,000 words. It goes up easy, no problem. Here we go. That ain't right. Now you can, if you get really creative, kind of baby it down with 2 feet. Like that. That's kind of a pain. I'll probably end up changing these casters to something else. So that's it. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Overall, love the saw. It's rock solid, easy to adjust, easy to tweak. The dust collection is awesome. So I can't wait to get my old dust collection system unpacked and installed. Cons, these casters drop this thing like a rock. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you stopped by. God bless. We'll see you later. I'm still going to do that episode on fixing floor squeaks now that I have some time. Okay.